What the heck is up, my Atlantians? For today's video, I have something really exciting to open with all of you. For today's video, I will be opening up another LOL OMG Dance doll. I'm super excited that the OMG Dance dolls came out in Canada the same day it came out in the States. That is very sweet of them. I got B-Gurl here. She is actually the first one that I got before Miss Royale. I was just more excited about Miss Royale, blah 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 blah. B-Gurl is super cute. When I first saw her, she wasn't my favorite, but after seeing the pictures of her doll and like seeing videos of the doll, not that I full on watched an entire video, I just mean like when I see the doll, how it would be in person, I got more interested, and also my boyfriend liked this one the most. So I just had to even that out. And yeah, so her box is essentially the exact same as Miss Royale, except we have beautiful B-Gurl at the front now this time. On the side, we can see even the order of the characters is exactly the same. And on the other side, it just says B-Gurl. Instead of pink, we got it in blue. It even looks like the channels is all gonna be exactly the same as the other boxes. So nothing too exciting on the box here. Let's check out what the box does first. Oh, I just realized I didn't snip. So you remove this plastic. Here's the box. And her portrait is actually perforated. So there's a little tabby tab here, and you can just start ripping that out and it will reveal. Oh no. Oh my god, I am just tearing this box up, aren't I? And here is the cool thing about these boxes. Usually you would pull the tab and you'd see the girl in color. This time, if we pull the tab, ooh, I like this. Okay, I can see what she's actually, or like how she's actually dancing, because like in the other one I was a little bit more confused. This time, I kind of see what she's really doing here. I love that. And in case you don't know, like the LOL Dance series, I would say it is an answer to the success of the remix line, but I do actually think of it as it's like the second series of the Neon Lights line. And the Neon Lights line, aside from the remixes, is actually my favorite line. So I'm super excited. We're getting more with the glow up features, glowing features, whatever it's called. Gosh, okay, we gotta open this. We gotta open her up. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, oh wow, oh my god. Okay, so wow, that's a lot more than I was expecting. All right, everyone, I'm gonna take her out of the box here. Oh, first, actually, let's literally take her out of the box. Look at her background. I actually really like the background so far, or the ones that we've gotten so far. On Miss Royale, we got like this ballroom, and there's like the head of like a Victorian, like looking person, and I have like a theory it's Marie Antoinette, and she is a B-Girl, so she is a B-Girl, you know. She is going to have a dance studio type backdrop. Oh, I love that. Alright, so here she is with everything set up around her. As usual, she comes with a magazine, and in this entire line, all of these magazines open up to reveal some groovy dance moves. Here is her hairbrush. This time we're going to be getting it in silver. The new OMG stands. These are the same stands as the like the remix Super Surprise and the boy from the 2-pack. We're going to be getting it in white and with 3 little clippies. Of course, here is her hat box and her little coat bag. And lastly, here is the beautiful B-Girl herself. I'm like in love with her. I love her deep skin tone. I love that her edges are laid out. I love her how like this is a full-on different type of material. Like this is like the I wouldn't say jersey, but it's like workout gear. It's very workout gearish of them. But what's not very workout gearish of them is the height of these like sneaker boots. These are very Harley Quinn of them. And her beautiful face and makeup, she's just wearing a simple white eyeshadow, and she's got this little band-aid on her face that I think will do something in the glow in the dark. I literally don't know. I haven't seen any of these videos. And her hair is in these 2 fishtail braids. Is that what we would call them? Her hair is in these 2 braids, and it's all black. It's all black and gray. And I think that's super cute. It looks really good with the black and white too. She's very Adidas inspired. And I love how on the side of these shorts, it's actually made out of like a type of mesh, like how workout clothes would kind of have mesh on the sides there. So yeah, all together, as usual, OMG and MGA is giving us some solid dolls. I love her. Look at her lips. These like dark chocolate lips. That's so cool. Let's take a look at these surprises here. Take a look at the hot box so we can get this all figured out. Ooh, so we've got this like lapis. Oh my god, okay. So the first thing we got is the black light, as all of them come with. This time we're getting it in black. Booyah. And inside here, don't forget to open it all the way so you don't miss anything. Ooh, cute. I actually don't know if we've had these sunglasses yet, but they're these very geometric looking black and gray sunglasses, and these 2 massive silver hoops for her ears. And last but not least, here's her little coat bag that I think is going to come with a jacket. Yes, here is her jacket. That. Oh, oh, sugar iced tea. Oh my god. So first of all, this freaking jacket is lined all the freaking way through. You can even see it coming out on the end here. This is like a budget doll too. It's freaking lined, you guys. It says B-Girl, and it's like, oh my god, what does this even say? Flip, up, spin, slay, whirl, swerve, hop, drop, ricochet, drop, jump, pivot, piece, wiggle, shuffle, dance, 0-1. That is so cute. That is so cool. It's like silver letters, and then it says B-Girl on the top there. Got these little stringies coming from the top of it. And it says OMG, LOL. So cute. So cute. So let's put her all together and see how she looks. And here she is with everything put onto her. Look how complete and perfect she looks. Oh my gosh. I genuinely did not think I would love her as much as I do. But look at her. Look at the amount of like little details there are in this freaking outfit. I didn't even realize that her socks were like mesh in between the white stripes. Oh. And of course, as she is part of the neon lights line, she does have a black light feature. So we do need to see how that works. Hopefully it works out a little bit better than Miss Royale. I'm sure that you'll do a lot better than Miss Royale. So let's see how that goes. Let's put her onto her stand. Let's adjust the camera. Let's test this out, everyone. All right, so here she is. I put her in her backdrop just as I did with Miss Royale. And actually, I think the point, oopsies. I think the point of the extra little stand pieces is because she's wearing like a massive jacket. Of course, the normal stand piece wouldn't really fit on her. So I put the bigger one on and she fits perfectly. So yeah, here she is with all the lights on. Here's what she looks like in the beginning. Let's turn all these lights off and see how she works. All right, so I can already see that it is turning out really nicely. The white or the gray parts of her hair is lighting up, and so is her laid edges. And what's actually really cool, oh my gosh, actually, I don't know if you could even see that on camera. Hold on. Her bandage says KO on it. I can, like, it's really good in person, but I swear, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you can't really see that. All right, everyone, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I love the new dance series. I mean, their blacklight thing doesn't seem to be working too well. Not too well. But you know what? The dolls itself are so worth it. They're so cute, and I love that there's even a blacklight feature. Like, that's so cool for a budget doll. So cute. So good. I love it. Please tell me what you guys think of her in the comments below. Tell me what dance doll you want to see me do next, or whatever doll you want to see me do next. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.